Hello friends, I am Umesh Haseri and I am coming with PATWAri important computer questions. So first topic is type of softwares. Two type of softwares. One is system software, another one is application software. System software, just like a machine should be interact with hardware. It's called a system software. You can take examples: operating system, ultimate utilities softwares, compiler, etc. And another one is application software. A software we can program a small programs units, and we can make a set of instructions and programs. It's and We can make a application, number of programs can merge. It's called the application softwares: word, dtp, tally, database, etc. Now another one is types of compiler. We are having different types of language translator in our computers. There are three types. One is machine language, second is interpreter, third one is assembler. We can talk about machine. That means machine doesn't understand Hindi and any other language, English. Machine understand only 0 and 1. This is a binary and machine language. Interpreter is the another translator. The interpreter is to translate the data by line. And one another is assembler. Assembler is a type of translator, but only translate the assembly language data. Now we can talk parts of CPU. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. Number of people know that it is one box is there. We can call it CPU. This is a box, not a CPU. CPU inbuilt a motherboard and having a different part: ALU, arithmetic unit, logical unit, and memory unit. ALU handle the all arithmetical calculations, logical calculations, and storage devices of memory to send the data directly to the hard disk and RAM, ROM, etc. Now types of memory. Now different type of memory we have: two type, three type. You can say mainly basically two types there. One is primary memory, we can call RAM and ROM. Up now another is secondary memory. Now first we'll finish RAM, primary memory. First one is types of RAM. RAM mainly have a different types of RAM. One is SRAM, second is DRAM, one is DDR RAM. SRAM is a static random access memory. Now DRAM, dynamic random access memory. Now DDR RAM, double data rate random access memory. RAM is volatile memory. That means when your computer is shut down, the data will be lost. And we can call also temporary memory. Now another is ROM, read only memory. PROM, programmable read only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read only memory. Double EPROM, electrically erasable programmable read only memory. ROM is non-volatile memory, and this is the permanent memory. Now we can talk secondary memory. When we use the data to bulk storage and keep safe for longer to use, it's called a secondary memory. If we can talk example: hard disk, pen drive, compact disk, digital versatile disk, DVD, floppy disk, memory card, magnet tape. These all are the example of hard disk. Now one memory is on another one memory is cache memory. Cache memory is an extremely fast memory type that act as a buffer between RAM and the CPU. केस एक तरह का बहुत ही फास्ट मेमोरी होता है जो कि बफर में रैम और सीपीयू के बीच में बफर स्टोरेज में काम करता है, यानी कि डेटा को होल्ड रखता है. इट होल्ड फ्रीक्वेंटली रिक्वेस्टेड डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन सो दैट द आर इमीडिएटली अवेलेबल टू द सीपीयू. When needed, cache memory is used to reduce average time to access data from the main memory. Now we can talk input devices. I and beauty input. First one is input device. That means input the data through keyboard, through voice, through light pen, whatever instruction you give into computer. It's basically usage of input devices. First one is mouse. Mouse mainly have two types. One is optical and you can have optical and mechanical. Mechanical. Optical mouse doesn't have a ball. No need to mouse pad. Mechanical mouse, earlier we are having mechanical mouse, we are having ball, we need pad, and both are the same for left and right click, and scroll button is there. Now we can talk keyboard. Keyboard mainly two types, normal and multimedia. Now another one is card. Different types of card we are having: smart card, ATM card, Visa card. Whatever card is having a magnetic chip, it's using for input devices. Now another one is, if we can talk devices, this MICR, MAGNETIC, magnetic ink character RECO recognitions, and we can call reader also. MICR mainly used for check the bank checks. OMR, optical mark recognition, या optical mark reader. OMR, you know that competition exam we are having OMR sheet. So who will check? This device does check. Now BCR, barcode reader. Barcode reader, you know that every product having some vertical lines, black and white, an inbuilt number of things. It's called a barcode reader. Now friends, just check my video, whatever's in 2-3 input devices, much more. You can see that light pen, just like a pen. Light pen, we can write anything so in the throw. We can write anything with this pen in the computer screen software screens. Now graphics graphics tablet, we can draw, anything, just like a painting. Now these are the input devices. Webcam is also input device. We can take a pictures, etc., whatever you know. Now another input devices is mic. We can input the